Some fans who were hoping to see their favorite 2000s emo bands in Sin City this weekend are out of luck. The date's being cancelled, all thanks to Mother Nature. Organizers behind the When We Were Young festival announced Saturday that their same-day kick-off in Vegas was being nixed because of strong winds being cited by the natural weather service. This despite the gang saying they've been actively preparing for this. It sounds like the guest speeds were simply going to be too high and dangerous, upward of 60 mph, they say, which has forced them to shut it down until tomorrow, Sunday the 23rd. The show for now is supposed to carry on as scheduled for this ticket holder, as well as ones for next Saturday, the 29th, but the folks who had tickets for today will have to seek a refund, which festival hosts apologetically say will be issued within 30 days. This year's lineup is jam-packed with bands that were all going to perform the same times for both days, including headliners Paramore and My Chemical Romance, not to mention Avril Lavigne, Bring Me the Horizon, All American, Rejects, Jimmy Eat World, Thanksgiving Dance, Talking Back Sunday, AFI with the King, Bright Eyes, A Day to Remember, and more. According to Variety, some attendees found out about the collection as late as 10:30 a.m., half hour after the doors would have opened. The last two remaining dates, tomorrow Sunday, October 2020, and next Saturday, October 29, are currently scheduled to go on as planned. The festival statement offered refunds for today's guests but did not mention an option to attend another day's concert. However, not all emo hope is lost. Bands like With the King and All American Rejected announced they are desperately working on pop-up shows to make up for tonight's cancellation. Fans are creating threads on Twitter to update on which bands would be performing tonight in alternative venues. Even if people aren't able to attend the last-minute shows, they will at least have an emo playlist on the ready.